Hey guys, I've had a lot of questions about where to find our slides for math. And if you would like to find them in the iReady through Clever, you can totally do that. And you can just download those to your own Chromebook and have those saved, and so you can edit them. If you don't want to go through that, we do have them in your shared drives. So if you go to your shared drive, you can scroll down here to the FIS super folder. And then once you're in there, you're going to choose your grade level. I'm in fifth, so I'm going to choose fifth. And then I'm working in math, so I'm going to choose math. And right here at the top, you'll have the iReady math slides. So you're going to want to go in there. Now, you are only going to be in view only on this, so you're not allowed to make any edits. If you're like me, you're probably going to want to make edits. So you're going to have to save that to your own drive. To do that, go into whichever lesson you want and whichever session you want, and those PowerPoints are up there. You can make a copy through just right clicking and making a copy this way, but it will save it into this drive, and then you probably won't be able to move it out of that drive because the drive is locked down. So instead, what I would do if I were you is open up the slides that you would like to use. And then once they are fully open, you will be able to go over here to File, make a copy of the entire presentation, and then you can rename it whatever you want. I like to put my name instead of copies of, so I know that this was mine that I owned. Now down here where it says folder, you do not want to save it into this shared drive folder, because then that's accessible to everybody and you're probably still going to be locked out of it because the drive is locked. Instead, you're going to go back here to your own drive. So once you're in your drive, you can save it into whichever folder you want. So I'm just going to save it down to my Math Stevens folder, go into my Unit 1, and then I've created different folders for my lesson. You don't have to be that particular. It's easier for me to see it. And then once I've done that, I'm going to click OK. And now I have my own copy. And so once I have my own copy, I'm going to be able to make edits to it. I can take things out. I can add text to it. I might add slides to it, reminding me what my groups are at the end of class. Maybe I want to put on there just a reminder that we're doing our multiplication tables at the beginning of class. But I hope that helps you out on finding these slides.